be willing, accept it, that this is how life is. When you accept that that is how life is, it then recondition you so that you go out there, put yourself out there so that strangers will find you valuable and grow your business, grow your personal brand so you can become successful one day. And this is a hardcore lesson that I learned from day one. I remember when I started my YouTube channel, I'll post a video. I had various Gmail accounts. So I will have to use various Gmail accounts to rewatch the video over and over again. Why? I wanted to get some audience. I wanted to, create the momentum. So I was the person creating my own momentum. Because the people around me, 99.9% of the time, they don't have a clue. They don't care. This video, for instance, you think someone closer to me, someone closer to me, how many of them will post this video on their status? How many of them will share this video? But the reality is that when they need something, if the need arises and they want something, they're going to come to you. The question is, where did you get the ability to be able to assist them if they are in need? It is from that same thing that they never supported, that they never promoted, that they never contributed to. But you don't take it personal. Do you understand? Don't take it personal. Don't repay them and say, yeah, do you promote my business? No. Don't take it personal. I want you to understand that this is how life is. That a man or a prophet is not recognized in his own home. Understand that that is how life is. So that's it, because they don't know what you carry. They don't see anything unique about you. But if you trust the process, trust in God, do not give up, continue to work hard, continue to promote your business. Strangers who don't know anything about you will find you valuable. You will help them and they will propagate, spread your stories. Sometimes it surprises me the way some people, I don't know anything about them, promote some of the things we do. You will not get encouragement from your family members. Get it? If you understand that, you have overcome 90% of your ability to become successful as an individual. And this goes beyond even entrepreneurship and cuts across other aspects of life. People will tell you they're going to support you. But when you start, that is where you're going to realize that nobody actually cares about what you're doing. But don't take it personal. That is how life is. So this is the mindset you need to have. That people you think should support you, people you think should stand by you, people you think should promote you, they're not going to promote you. But don't take it personal. It's part of life. If you understand it this way, you will become successful. And Nuntina, that is why, as an individual, if you have a business, whatever, it's a side hustle or a full entrepreneurship, whatever business that you are into, don't think your family members should be interested in that business. Why? They will never buy from you. They will never do business with you. Your customers are not your family members. So even if all your family members like your video, subscribe to your channel, it doesn't contribute to anything because they're not going to buy from you. They're not going to be watching your videos. They're not going to be, they are not interested. So take your time and put yourself out there. Leverage social media, adopt strategy, create organic content, continue to push. Yes, up till now, my second YouTube channel, for instance, I post a video because it's a new channel we are building. I post a video, maybe 10 views, 20 views. You think I'm stopping? No. We create videos and it will be posted every time because it's going to take time. You think I'm interested in letting somebody close to me, my family member or somebody, to be sharing those with them? I'm not interested. I am using my own ways, going in, creating content, creating the awareness, talking to strangers, befriending them, and making sure that I add value to their life. Because if I can add value to their life, they will be grateful, and they will also add value to mine by giving me businesses. That is how life is. And this is a core mindset. And that is why sometimes the journey is hard. You see, entrepreneurship is the hardest thing in the world. Some of you think, oh, if I start my business, I'll become my own boss. I'll be a boss lady. And hey, I can live my life. I can do whatever I want. No. Starting your business and becoming an entrepreneur is more riskier than anything else. Your 9 to 5, you are guaranteed of your salary at the end of every month. All other things being equal. And you have only one tax you are supposed to do, or maybe 2 tax. So there is a specific role you play in the company. That's all. At the end of the month, whether the company makes profit or loss, you get your money. That's it. But if you're the entrepreneur, you start your business, there is nothing like, guarantee. No, you don't have any guarantee. You're going to be there 24/7, not 9 to 5. You're going to be there 24/7 for the business because you will be called on. And that stress, when you add the fact that you don't have support from the family, people you know, to it, if you're not careful, it will break you. But if you have the understanding that, hey, it's okay, I'm going to make it. I'm going to work hard. I don't need a support from any family member. If they show support, fine. But don't support them. As a matter of fact, 99.9% of the time, unless otherwise, in some cases, don't even tell them what you are doing. Because chances are they may sabotage what you are doing. Because the average family in this country that you come from have no clue about what you want to do. Maybe in your family, nobody has ever been an entrepreneur. Then you want to be an entrepreneur. You think when you share that with your family members, they will rally support around you? No. Because they've told you, hey, Kwesi, go to school, get your degree, do your national service, get a job, and be there for the rest of your life. It's not a bad advice, but maybe that is not for you. Are you getting it? Maybe that thing, that's not what you were called to do. Maybe you feel a different calling to start business, to go into something else, or to do something else other than the robotic lifestyle that they think they have designed for you. And so if you go and tell them, I'm starting this, they're not going to support you. Many content creators, entrepreneurs have shared this over and over again. They are like, when they started, their family members even ignored them. Some of them, they were sacked from their house because they chose that life to maybe do music or, start content creation or go into business because their family did not understand that thing. But they didn't give up. They worked hard, built themselves up, had a good network, surrounded themselves with people who really understand what they are doing, and then with that, built something and became successful. Those same people who sacked them from the house, who did not show support, today are the one eating the fruit of that labor, and they are now showing that, they are the best supporters in the world. That is how life is. Nobody is going to celebrate you until you become a substance. No, you are not going to be attracted to anybody until you are bringing significant amount of value. And if you understand that that is how life is, it changes your perspective as an individual. And that is what I want to share with you today. The journey of an entrepreneur is challenging. It's difficult, but you can make it. The only way you can make it is building the mental fortitude, not to depend on the support of any family member. If they bring it, hallelujah. If they don't, it is okay. And that is what you need to become successful. Let me hear from you in the comment section. If you have started a business, have you been receiving support? If you have not been receiving any support, how have you dealt with it? And most importantly, tell me what you think on the overall of this particular video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.